How to fix YouTube not showing comments. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your comments on YouTube is not showing up. Now if you open up the app and you hit it to any videos that you want, and if you scroll down below you'll find the comment option right here. Now you can see comments here. How do you fix this? If you're not getting comment options, how do you fix it? Now it might just be a simple bug or glitch. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your app store or play store and searching for YouTube and update the app. Now if your app isn't updated, then it might cause some glitch and some problems. So what you want to do is update it as soon as possible. So first update the app and check in if the problem still continues. Now if it still continues, what you want to do is go ahead and clear the data of your app. To do so, scroll down the notification bar and you'll find the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. Once on settings, scroll down and head into apps. You can see the apps right here. Now on apps, search for YouTube, or you can just scroll down and search it. Now I'll search it here real quick, and once here what you want to do is head into storage. Now if you are on iPhone device, however, remember that you can offload it. You'll get the option to offload your app, so just upload it. Now if you are on Android, however, what you want to do is clear your data here, right here, and delete it. Once you delete it, go ahead to Play Store and check for any updates again, and then head into the app, and this must fix the issue. So hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.